Sir, shall I share the feedback form in the chat box?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
So very good evening, my dear participants, and thank you for attending this FTP, the 5 days FTP. And I know that everybody is busy with the closure of this academic year or the semester. So this semester, so everybody is busy with. Even I am also doing some paper correction right now. Okay, then I hope so. Everybody is busy, but in spite of your busy schedule, and then you have attended this uh, workshop. Thank you for that. And this is the time which we need to hear from you, like regarding the feedback. So that is the one oral feedback, and just now we have put in the chat box. So that is you can very well give the feedback with that link. So this is only for our purposes, but for your certification purpose, you have to they go to your login and then you have to give the feedback. Then only the certificate will be generated. So then first we have to enter the attendance. So we are consolidating that. So we didn't circulate separate any attendance sheet, but we are collecting from the footprints of this online Cisco WebEx reports, and from that we are going to take the attendance, and we are also going to enter the marks. So if you submit your assignments as quickly as it is possible, then at a time we are going to enter that. So we can't do in a batch wise. So in that case, may I request to submit your assignments at the earliest possible. Maybe we can put a deadline, maybe tomorrow, or maybe at the worst case by Monday early morning or Sunday night. If you restrict to say deadline will be Sunday night. So if you submit by Sunday night, all of you, so then you submit your assignments. So that is assignment 1 and 2. Yeah, Monday evening. So Jagadish is requesting by Monday evening. Okay, no problem. So you can wait up to Monday evening. So then, meanwhile, even we'll prepare this attendance, consolidating the attendance and other reports which we need to submit to AICT. That work also we need to do. So then we will be doing that. But by Monday evening, we are going to submit the marks as well as attendance to the AICT. Means, and you need to complete the feedback from the portal. Not only this feedback which we have circulated. This is okay. This is for our reference. But for AICT purposes, you have to log into your portal, and then you give the feedback there also for getting uh, the uh, certificate. Okay. So and these are some of the um, announcements regarding your attendance feedback and the certificate from the AICT, right? So by Monday evening, everybody ensure that it has been submitted, and by Tuesday morning, we are going to submit everything to AICT. So by Tuesday, we submit everything, and by Wednesday, you can expect your certificate. So they will take 1 day time to verify, and they take 1 day time, 24 hours time. Means maybe by Wednesday. So if you Monday night and Tuesday we are going to submit, and by Wednesday you can expect your certificates. Okay, and then may I request the participants to share your say feedback. Yeah, Atal portal submit today. Yeah, you can. I think if it is allowing, I'm not sure whether it is allowing. So if you are getting that feedback link in that Atal portal, so you can fill it. You need not wait. Um, Yeah, maybe I am not sure whether I need to check whether if the attendance is not entered, it may not take. I don't know. Like, let me check it. And if you are enabled that to give the feedback, very well, you can give that feedback now itself also. Like after the completion of this program, maybe you can, if it is allowing, then you give the feedback now also, no issue. Yeah.
Yeah, feedback can be given at any time, sir. We will enter the later the attendance as well as the marks and all. Feedback
Okay.
can be given at any time.
Yeah, now you can give the feedback from your end, and we will enter the marks and the attendance from our end. So if somebody is requesting up to Monday evening, that's what we are able to submit by Tuesday only. So by Tuesday, we are going to submit the, but you can complete your feedback by today itself. All of you complete your feedback in the portal also, we are talking about. And then we want to hear from you for the say the feedback. Now this is the time to listen from you, like what you have expected and whether what is the program is all about. Have it be satisfied or not? Like anything can be for the betterment, improvement. So always you are welcome. So may I request to give one by one the feedback. Yeah, Sri Krishna. Yes, yes, please.
Sir, good evening, sir. It was a wonderfully organized and enlightening FDP.
Thank you.
This is the third FTP that I am attending, which is being conducted by Department of Mechanical Engineering, NIT Warangal, sir. And every time I've noticed the spectrum of topics covered under the FTP have gradually increased, which gives the participants more scope of increasing their knowledge. Now, basically, I'm a dentist, sir, and as mentioned by you in one of your slides also, the scope of 3D printing in dentistry is increasing. And considering the fact that in dentistry, everything that we do on patients is customization, ranging from dentures to crowns to orthodontic aligners and even customized implants, processes, or even during surgeries also. So I feel that there's a lot of untapped potential or scope of 3D printing in dentistry, which may come out actually with more collaborations between mechanical engineers and dentists. And to this effect, maybe I wish to suggest an FDP like this. Now, since in Atal portal, I was seeing this is an advanced FDP, not the elementary FDP. So maybe much more advanced than an advanced FDP, like super specialization, like we have in medicine. Although in dentistry we don't have super specialization. So a super specialized FDP, wherein the participants are, in addition to mechanical engineers, maybe more of dentists. So that might bring out more scope, more potential of 3D printing and dentistry. So maybe an FTP, such an FDP, maybe if you can organize, NIT Warangal can organize with participation of more dentists. So I thank the entire team of the Department of Mechanical Engineering, NIT Warangal, for this excellent FDP, sir. Thank you, sir.
So you are from which college, sir? Dental college?
I am from Jharkhand, sir, actually.
Okay.
College of Dental Sciences, Jharkhand.
Okay, Jharkhand Dental College. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you, Dr. Sri Krishna Garu, for your valuable suggestion. And the definitely, actually, earlier there was no provision to say participate the doctors in the Atal, but now thanks to Atal, even they are opening this to all the doctors or the practitioners. But earlier we don't have such provision. But still, I think. It is not went to the all dentist or your community like the dental community, but yeah, so definitely we will look into it, sir, whatever your suggestion, and even we will pass on to the AACT also this your feedback, so for the next betterment of these the Atal programs or in such any FDP that has been planned to the interdisciplinary kind of nature like this. So definitely we will say consider your feedback and we'll implement that, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
Sir, can I talk?
Yes, yes, madam, please.
So good evening, sir. I'm Kirtana. I'm from Hyderabad. So I'm a research scholar at Usmania University. I like a big fan of yours, sir. Actually,
Thank you.
so I've like got 3 papers of yours and I'd like to meet personally, but sure.
Your voice is breaking, madam. Hello.
Sir, is my
Your voice
voice
was-
audible?
Yeah, now it's okay, madam. Now it's okay.
Yes, sir. Reddy's session, like on an orthopedic surgeon's session, then Falguni Party's session, especially your sessions, and not want to mention, but almost all the sessions, like in spite of my classwork schedule, as you prayerly said, so, but they were really helpful, sir. So when I was talking at my home about the sessions that I gone through, they were asking me, are you a medicine are you pursuing medicine doctorate or engineering doctorate? So even I got a feel that way. So, but thank you so much for organizing such a beautiful, I can say, beautiful session, well organized, and all the faculty, teachers, hands-on sessions, everything were awesome, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you, madam. Thank you.
And a small query: is it possible to have recorded sessions of
Yes,
the
madam.
session?
Yes. Actually, we are going to post it in a YouTube channel, and then we will be circulating also all that links to all the participants, and then we are
Because
going to.
being a research scholar, I would like to go through your sessions once again for gaining more insights, because I was simultaneously trying to manage my classwork as well as your sessions. So I would like to have like more concentrated overview of your sessions that you have organized. So that's the reason.
Yeah, all the sessions, no, madam, we have recorded, and we are going to give you the YouTube links. All the things we are going to put it in a YouTube channel, and we are going to submit to the AICT also. All the links will be shared with the participants, but it will take some time, maybe 4 or 5 days. Yeah, we are going to
They
send.
will be posted in the group that you have created. Is it possible?
Yes. We are going to post it in this group as well. Mails also, I will circulate through email also.
Please do, sir, if because
Sure.
they'll be really useful for research scholars for us like us.
Definitely, madam. We are doing it. Yeah. We are going
Thank
to
you
do
so
that.
much.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you. So, yeah.
Hello.
Yes.
Good evening, sir. I'm Rishikant Sani from IIT Trichy, sir.
Yeah.
Uh, this workshop was very useful for me, sir, because I'm also working on this biomaterial, sir. Previously, I didn't know how to use of my 3D printing here, sir. When I heard your slides and your lectures, sir, in my mind coming number of options are, sir, regarding biomaterial. I will use a 3D printer here regarding biomaterial, sir. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you all of you, host and all research scholars and you, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you. Thank you, Rishikant.
Hello, sir. I am
Yes,
Dr.
yes.
Goparal Biswas. I am Dr. Goparal Biswas. Actually, I am from pharma background. So this 3D printing, especially in the medical technology, is very useful. And I enjoyed the session. 1-2 sessions I missed definitely because in between I had classes and some work. Otherwise, it's very informative and very. I must congratulate everyone, and I am feeling happy to be part of this team. Thank you very much, sir. And one request: can you please share the this feedback form, actually it's not opening in the WhatsApp. Can you please give the feedback form here?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, we'll share it again, madam. No problem.
Chat box again, we are going to paste it. Yeah.
We are going to post it.
Thank you very much, sir.
Yeah, not only this feedback, madam, you try to give it, you give it in the portal also. Everybody, you give
Yes.
feedback. In your login, the portal, I think Karthik has said that when we need to enter the feedback into a yeah, you can.
Yes, sir, definitely, I know.
Yes, yes. You submit both the places here in the chat box which we pasted, as well in the Atal portal. Atal portal, that is mandatory for generation of this certificate, so that you have to give. Okay. Yeah. Please introduce yourself while giving the feedback.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah, good evening.
So this is Syed Mustafa, sir, from Warangal itself. And right now I'm doing my master's in SR University.
Okay.
So actually this topic was quite new to me, but I was knowing the basics about the additive manufacturing. It was very informative, and especially for the students like us who are willing to learn about the what do you mean by the bioprinting, biomedical facilities. So it was very helpful for us. And thank you so much, sir, for organizing such events. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you, Syed. Yeah.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, yes.
Hello. Hello, sir. Yeah, myself, Karthik from Pratyusha Engineering College. So I would like to share my feedback through this program. So 3D printing it is a very useful related topics regarding to my career. So this is also my first activity was attending to the program. So I was choosing as a first workshop I'm going to attend to the program. So thanks for giving the great opportunity to attend the program for the activities. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Thank you, Dr. Karthik. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Karthik. Yes, anybody wants to give?
Yeah, good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Yeah, myself Gaurav Prashar. I am from Punjab.
Yeah, Gaurav. Yeah.
First of all, I would like to congratulate NIT Warangal for such a wonderful FTP, and all the conveners and co-conveners. I would like to congratulate. Though my area of interest is surface engineering, I will working on thermal spray coatings. But in this FDP, I come to know that actually these in medical field, it has so much potential 3D. So I am really thankful once again for you. But I think my question is, can we use cold spray? Because I am from thermal spray. Can we use cold spray for additive manufacturing in biomedical implants?
Yes, I think Manjay Garu, can you add something?
Yeah, Gaurav, you can use the cold spray technique for some of the components made by the conventional parts, like conventional
Soft
manufacturing.
metals, we can use
On
cold
that,
spray.
you can make a cold spray, and that can be used for some of the biomedical applications.
Because right now cold spray, additive manufacturing by cold spray used in aerospace industry for manufacturing of rocket nozzles.
With the DED technology, you can use that kind of technology for cold spraying some of the medical implants and all.
Because I am from thermal spray background, that's why I ask you, can we use this?
Some of the biocompatible material, like as Dr. Aditya sir mentioned, the hydroxyapatite, it is highly beneficial for biocompatible. And such material you can coat with using a thermospray technique, and that can be used for a highly beneficial technique. What people are doing, some of the magnesium alloys or some of the biocompatible material on that using this thermal spray coating. Such kind of techniques you can make use that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you, Gaurav. Yeah, anybody wants to give the feedback? Anybody wants to give?
Sir?
Yeah.
Hello. Ravi Kumar sir.
Yeah.
Sir, Dr. Shiva from Narsopet Engineering College, sir.
Yeah, Dr. Shiva, please.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Good evening, sir. So, a complete full meal, sir. Whatever the program is there, it's a full meal, and it was exhausted. It was exhausted. Only thing is that we missed the finishing the practical sessions. The practical sessions we missed actually. So that is the only. We are worried, sir. Otherwise, the speakers are very good, sir. Even the doctors this time, the doctors you have included in the panel, and they have given complete. Even they are talking about the engineering topics, and in a complete. With understanding and including in their medical field. So it was very interesting, sir. So we missed the physical interaction with them. So that is only thing, sir. So I congratulate all the team members, sir, whoever is involved, maybe our scholars or the other Manjay sir and other faculty members. So thank you for conducting such a wonderful session, sir. So if the pandemic situation is over, let's have a physical sessions also, sir, because we want to see our metal printer, which is procured recently. So thank you, sir, Ravi Kumar Garu. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, thank you, Dr. Shiva. And then definitely we will look forward for the offline program, maybe very near future. So then we will be keep updating in the WhatsApp group, even if you are there in the WhatsApp group. And
yeah,
then
I'm there, sir. We are monitoring, no problem. Please share, sir.
Okay. Yeah. And then regarding feedback, you check it. And today it is giving, say, opening in the Atal, say, portal, you give feedback in the Atal portal also.
Definitely, sir.
Today or tomorrow,
Definitely,
just to keep watching in the Atal portal also for giving the feedback to generate the certificates.
Yes, sir. And the assignment submission you have extended, sir. But in the Google form, I think the duration should be extended, sir. Maybe it was showing the whole time.
Yeah, we will update. We will update to Monday evening. We will extend that
yes, sir.
Google form timings. Yeah, we will do that one. So Yeah, we'll extend up to
Yes, sir,
Monday
definitely.
evening.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Sir, I must include that the hands-on sessions were very, very interesting, and I really enjoyed that and those assignments. That is very, very interesting. Thank you, sir. Actually, first I thought I could not able to do that, but later I really enjoyed that hands-on sessions. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, actually, that's what we are very worried during this preparation of this, like maybe offline, online. So though we submitted the offline proposal and then they have given us the online mode of conducting the program, but anyway, at least some people are saying that it is useful. That is, it's a great pleasure for us to have that feedback from the participants. Yes, we are not bothering you to submit the assignments. So if somebody is enjoying, it's okay. But it may be bothering for somebody to submit. But anyway, thank you, madam, for your feedback on the assignments, hands-on session assignments. Thank you. Yeah, then can we actually? Is anybody still wants to give some feedback orally? Otherwise, I will
sir.
read. Yeah, please.
Sir, I'm Abdul Wahab Hashmi, PhD scholar from MNIT Jaipur. Sir, the session, all the sessions are very, very interactive and very knowledgeable in the field of additive manufacturing. So I have one suggestion that I was interested for the CAD tools or an image processing tool. So in the future, if you can organize for fully oriented for the softwares or used in additive manufacturing, so we can go through in depth.
Yeah, you are working in medical applications of 3D printing. Your PhD problem or in general problem you are working?
So for PhD problem.
Yeah, your PhD problem is related to medical application of 3D printing?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Okay, sure, Mr. Abdul. Yeah, we'll inform you and then we'll. Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Definitely.
Thank you, sir.
We have several plans in medical. We are in near future also. Yes, we
yeah, because the software part, it is very crucial for the if we get the modeling and the other simulation part, then we can process for the further. So this is a hurdle for any research scholar.
yeah, sure.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Sure, Mr. Abdul. Yeah. Anybody wants to give any feedback on this course? So I can see from the chat box that is Dr. Balasubramanian G. He is from L&T. He put the message that the medical 3D printing related information or really eye-opening information session on whole 5-day presentation, and thank you very much for all researchers, lecturers, doctors who are all pursuing on the 3D printing technology for the development of future. So this was the message one of the participants from L&T, Dr. Bala. So thank you, Dr. Bala, for your feedback to the chat box. And we have one more feedback in the chat box from Nagas Sundaram N. So sorry for not speaking, sir. I am in traveling. So the FTP was well organized and eye opener for me, who is starting my research in the implants. So thank you, sir, for wonderful session. So thank you, Dr. Nagasundar Ram N. Thank you for that feedback. Yeah. So anybody else to give? Otherwise, we'll conclude. Or quick quotes from you. Anybody wants to share? So kindly give the feedback. The forms which we have circulated here in the chat box as well as in the WhatsApp group. And don't forget that in the portal also, that is important for getting certificate. That is most important. Otherwise, it won't generate any certificate once you are not given the feedback in the portal I am talking about. So in the Atal portal, you go log in and give the feedback. If it is allowing now itself, you can give. Otherwise, you keep tracking. Maybe tomorrow you check once. Yeah, then no more talks, and then we'll Manjay garu, can you propose vote of thanks or we'll conclude?
Yes.
Or you want to add? You please share your experience with the participants also.
Thank you for all the participants, those who have patiently listened and attended all the sessions and all. And also, you have many of you people are attended very nicely, and all of you attend the quiz as well as the practical sessions, lab on sessions, and all. Many of you almost all submitted the assignment as till yesterday sessions and all. Thank you very much for all the participants, and we'll be in touch with in future if any programs we are going to conduct. We'll be in touch and we'll be. Thank you for your feedbacks are considered. If you have any additional feedbacks, also you can post. Even you can send an email also. We are considering your like the concept of this CAD modeling with respect to the 3D printing or some of the in-depth medical application aspects and all. We are trying to include in the future our FDP's programs and all. Thank you once again, everyone. And once again, I would like to say the vote of thanks for this FDP program. I thank the AICT for giving a funding sanction to this conducting this program of Atal FDP program, and the chairman of AICT, director of AICT, and as well as director of NIT Warangal, Dr. And I also thank all the deans, heads, and as well as head of the department and all the colleagues for giving a opportunity and helping us to conduct this program online mode. Thank you everyone, and as well as I thank all the participants for those who are attended patiently and listened our sessions. Thank you very much, and but not the least, I will also thank to our PhD scholars, those who are helped by conducting online and creating quiz links and also recording the videos. Thank you very much. Thank you one and all.
Yeah, thank you for your presence here for the past 5 days. So thank you, and we'll see once again maybe in future. Yeah, thank you. We'll conclude the FTP now. Thank you one and all.